Good morning, everyone. Welcome to April 20th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures up 66, the S&P futures are up 6, and NASDAQ futures are up 13. Asian shares were mixed, while European shares were higher overnight. Futures were pointing to a lower open Thursday as the bears were looking to add on to Wednesday's losses. Economic reports were weaker than expected, helping to keep a negative bias throughout the trading day. By the time the market closed, the bears had their way with all of their major indexes lower. There are no key economic reports due out today. Today we'll get earnings reports from General Electric and McDonald's. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day at 1385, the 50-day at 1378, and the 200-day at 1273. The S&P closed at 1376 with support at 1357 and resistance at 1397. The bears were aiming to add to Wednesday's losses on Thursday, and they got their way. Even with a few major banks beating expectations and eBay having blowout earnings, it wasn't enough to offset the selling. The S&P continues to have trouble breaking back through its 20-day moving average, and by day's end had closed below the 50-day. This remains troubling, especially with the 20-day getting closer and closer to the 50. The bulls could be in trouble here unless they get it together and turn the tide right now. It's that time again, the weekend's upon us, and we all know what that means. It's time to rest and reload for next week. Try to relax. The market will still be here come 9:30 Monday morning. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back Monday morning with another Market Minute.